Students, today let us start our class with the lesson Brilliant Brains. Here some clues are given. By using these clues, we have to find out the famous scientists and physicists. Okay? First one, Greek mathematician and physicist discovered the laws of floating bodies. Okay? Means here physicist means an expert in physics. Okay? Greek mathematician and an expert in physics. He discovered the laws of floating bodies. Floating bodies means the state of equilibrium of a solid body partially or fully immersed in liquid or gas. That is called the floating. Okay? The answer is Archimedes. Okay? That Greek mathematician and physicist is Archimedes. Next, great Indian scientist made a special study of plant physiology and claimed that plants have life and soul. Who claimed that first? Plants have life and soul. The great Indian scientist J.C. Bose. Okay? Next one, British natural scientist. After studying animal life in South Seas, wrote The Origin of Species on the theory of evolution. Answer is Charles Darwin. British natural scientist. Okay. Next one, Italian scientist and professor of mathematics. He was the first person to study the sky using a telescope. Okay. Italian scientist and a professor of mathematics. He was the first person to study the sky. How? By using a telescope. Answer is Galileo Galilei. Next one, Greek physician dedicated to the cause of medical science, known as the father of medicine. He is a Greek physician. Okay? And the answer is Hippocrates. Next one, French scientist established that combustion is form of chemical action, gave oxygen its name, and his name is Antoine Lavoisier. He was a French scientist. Okay? Combustion means it is the process of burning something. British physicist and mathematician, his laws of motion are foundation of science of mechanics. You all know laws of motion. Who was the founder? Isaac Newton. Okay. Next one, Swedish scientist invented dynamite, bequeathed wealth collected from the manufacture of explosives for annual prizes to those contributing most in the fields of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, etc. Swedish scientist invented dynamite, high explosive dynamite, okay, and gave the wealth means here money, which he collected from the manufacture of explosive. For what? For giving annual prizes. To whom? To those contributing most in the field of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, etc. Okay, for those who are contributing most in the field of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, etc., he collected the wealth or the money from the manufacture of explosive. Okay, and after that he gave it to those persons. Okay, the answer is Alfred Nobel. Next, French scientist, founder of microbiology and immunology. French scientist, he was the founder of microbiology and immunology. Answer is Louis Pasteur. Next, Indian physicist discovered Raman effect, which won him Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. In 1930, he got the Nobel Prize, and he was an Indian physicist, and he got the Nobel Prize on Raman effect. The answer is C.V. Ram. Okay. Students, hope you have understood this chapter. Let's end this section here. Thank you.